been a pleasure being with people from the Hermitage province and the district for these days. As you know, I am new to this role of being Superior General, and I have come from a long way away in Oceania. So I have needed to learn a lot about our Marist world across the globe. And this is my first major trip as Superior General to Europe, and it's been a wonderful occasion to meet a wide range of Marists, brothers and lay colleagues, men and women who are very committed to the Marist way. So for me, it has been very enlightening, and I have been delighted by what I have seen and what I have heard. And I have picked up the energy and the enthusiasm for our Marist mission, and that is very encouraging. And I have also seen that we have many similarities across our Marist world. And many of the issues that people are here confronting and dealing with are the same ones that we have been dealing with in our part of the world in Oceania, and others are dealing with in their part of the world. So it helps to reinforce for me and for the General Council the issues that we need to give some leadership on over the next period of time. Well, I think that the province and the district are well placed to journey together, because both of them are multinational entities. The district, or the province previously, is made up of a number of countries, and so is the province of the Hermitage. So the fact that both entities have been used to the multinational dimension, I think is good. They will have learned from the past, and I think they will know how to journey respectfully in an international way together. I'm sure that the issues that the district have faced in the past are very similar to the province, and so they will already have some thoughts about how to progress those issues of continuing to grow and nourish Marist life in places even when the number of brothers is diminishing. And that, of course, is a major issue in Europe and other parts of our Marist world. But the passion for Marist life and mission is still strong, and I'm sure that they will walk together very well over these next years. Yes, well, the calls, I think, are very important for us at this time. They have been given to the whole Marist world by the chapter. The chapter gathered, reflected on current realities, and then looked at what the needs are now. So they have given those calls not just to me as Superior General or to the General Council, but to every Marist in the world. And the hope is that we will all walk and work together these calls over the next few years. For me, at the heart of the call is this active participation in our Marist life and mission. That is the active participation of everyone. So when we are called to be builders, we are called to build up this Marist mission and this Marist life and this Marist way of expressing our belief in Jesus Christ. So I think it is a personal dimension, and then there is a community dimension, and there is for us a global dimension as well. So I hope that in whatever way I and the General Council can, we will help to inspire and to encourage and animate Marist mission through those calls over the next 8 years. Well, I think number one, this comes from an old teacher. Number one is to learn, because none of us on the current General Administration have been in this role before. We are all new to general government, and we have a lot to learn. Some of us come with knowing particular parts of our Marist world. and some of us have a broader vision of a number of regions, but we all have a lot to learn about marist life across the globe. So for me, number one is actually learning. And part of that learning too is learning how we can best support the work in the Marist provinces and districts and regions. Because I see the role of the general government to assist, to support and to serve where the real work of Marist life goes on. And that is in the communities, the schools, the provinces. So we need to learn together, and we need to learn how best to support and serve the Institute. Well, I would like to thank everybody for their congratulations and their warm welcome. Wherever I have been, and especially here over these last days, I have really been made to feel very much at home and very welcome. So I thank everyone in the province and the district in particular for the welcome, for the encouragement and for the support I have already felt in this new role. And I'm looking forward to meeting many more people, and I'm looking forward to the next 8 years walking with our fellow Marists as we build the kingdom and we build our Marist mission across the world.